opportunity to see this, the unspoiled beauty of this gorgeous country.
People of Pakistan are great. The scenery is fantastic. I don't think I've been anywhere else like this in the world. Thanks, Pakistan.
This is one of the best places in the world to make any skiing. Pakistan!
Now, if you're thinking about this is not a safe place, this is as safe as currently capital in German.
Got to come, they've got to explore it, they've got to see Pakistan for what it is. It's a country that is at the forefront of transformation, and from a business perspective it's on the up and up.
It was so cool getting in an army plane, really cool. I can't wait to do it again.
Pakistani pilots were absolutely amazing. They were so friendly and so professional.
It's such a perfect place. Just the culture is rich, the mountains are amazing, the scenery. Just being made to feel extremely welcome.
Just come here, have a look, enjoy the nature, get to know the people.
The potential is big, is huge, and there will be a terrain for everyone.
So I'd highly advise anyone who's looking to go for a different sort of trip somewhere, Pakistan is the place to come to.
The idea is to make them ambassadors for us. You know, if we give them a sense for who we truly are and what this place is really about, they'll go tell the story to their friends, and their friends will tell the story to their friends, and before you know it, the true message of the country will come out.
The excitement, the adventure, the memories. As the skiers depart, they know they have had a taste of something quite rare and very special.
Pakistan!
The north of Pakistan is the undiscovered arena of winter sport and adventure. An endless wonderland that is waiting to be explored.